guys, so today's video is super exciting. I cannot believe that this is happening, but guys, today's video is sponsored by the lovely company Riley Rose. Let's give them a clap, let's give them a hand. Thank you so much. Riley Rose is part of the company Forever 21. While Forever 21 deals with the fashion side of things, Riley Rose deals with the beauty aspect of things, which is super cool. I know that we have all heard the rumors, but Forever 21 is here to stay and they are evolving as a brand. One of the ways that they're evolving is combining Riley Rose and Forever 21 under one roof, which I find super awesome. Riley Rose is also having a grand opening this upcoming Saturday at quite a few malls in the US, so I will put a picture right here so that if you live close to this mall, you can go check it out because guys, the store is so pink and aesthetically pleasing. It is the exact store that I would want to shop at for all my beauty and skincare needs. So, as most of us know, Black Friday is this upcoming Friday, and I always relate Black Friday to a really fun time because you get to go out with your family, find really good deals, and it's also feels like the starting point for the holiday season. So the company actually sent me a package full of items that are going to be 30% off during their Black Friday sale. So I actually got this morning and I got already, it's like, oh my god, I have to open this box. I kind of partially peeked a little bit because I couldn't contain myself when it came this morning. They also wrote me a card and it says, Alia, 'tis the season. Buy now, cry later. Happy holidays. P.S. We hope you love everything. XOXO. That's super sweet. So thank you so much again, Riley Rose, for sending me this package. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Oh no. I just spilled confetti everywhere. Oops. Okay. How do I do this? Oh my god, there's so much cool stuff in here. Let me just hold on. Oh my god, you guys, look at all this stuff. Let's get to it. I'm super excited. Oh my god, I can't believe this. So the first product that I'm picking up is this really cute gift set. It is Tony Moly I'm Rose mask and hand cream set. It comes with 2 facial masks, 1 sleeping mask, and 1 hand cream. I think I'm actually going to give this to my sister. She loves the smell of rose since I was like a little kid. She used to burn like lots of rose candles when I was younger. So actually, I'm going to give this to my sister. They have other scents for this gift set by this brand. So that's super cool. I'm totally going to give this to my sister. I'm also going to put prices right here so that you guys know. And also, I will link all the stuff down below for you. Okay, so next item. Ooh, there's skincare. Ooh, and it's Korean skincare, like one of my favorites. Oh my god, okay. This is the Eco Beyond Best Skincare set, and it has a facial cleanser, a toner, an emulsion, which is like more of a lightweight moisturizer, and a more concentrated moisturizer. I think this would be perfect for anyone that's wanting to start out with skincare but doesn't know really where to go, and I also think this would be great for people that travel. And it also has some really good ingredients, very hydrating, especially since it's the winter time. Hydration is what you need. This skincare set is $20, but on Black Friday it will be $12. I'm definitely keeping this for myself because I am a skincare junkie, and most of you know that I'm a skincare junkie. Next, ooh, I've been wanting to try this brand for so long. Ooh, there's 3 items by them. Okay, I'm gonna grab all 3. Okay, so this is by the brand Bliss. I see this all the time when I'm out grocery shopping in the skincare aisle. I just have not picked them up yet, but oh my god, everything is so cool. Okay, let's start with the first one. The first product that I have from Bliss is the Pore Portal Deep Detox 4-Clay Souffle Mask. That is a mouthful. Let's see what it does. So, it is a souffle mask that has powerful clays, detoxifies, controls oils, and minimizes the look of pores without that dry, tight feeling. And it also has glycolic acid that exfoliates to make sure pores do not clog up. It's hydrating and cooling, and the ultimate way to refresh and smooth skin. Ooh. As you guys know, I have talked about in my previous videos that I still deal with pores right around my upper cheek area, so I definitely will be trying this out tonight. This seems super awesome. So this product is $16, and with the Black Friday discount it's going to be $11.20. So next we have the Bliss Jelly Glow Ball. Ooh, Radiant Boosting Cleanser with Lychee. Wait, what is this? Wait, what is this? Oh my god, it's a cleanser in the shape of a ball. That's so cool. And it's pink. It says washing your face just got fun with this bouncy jelly ball that works into hydrating lather to remove all traces of dirt, oil, and makeup. The concentrated formula with nutrient-rich lychee extracts smooths over every contour for maximum cleansing, while the ball shape massages skin to boost surface cell turnover for more glowy and vibrant skin. Ooh, this is so cool. As you guys know, also, I love to be super dewy and hydrated. I love this. This is also $16 and it will be $11.20. Okay, this is the last thing from Bliss. This is the Watermelon Reviving and De-Stressing Overnight Mask. This is a potent overnight mask with replenishing watermelon extract. Creates a nutrient-rich veil that soaks in to bring tired, stressed out skin back to life. Think way too little sleep or hangover like aftermath. It removes dead cells and toxins, while electrolytes help balance and rehydrate. Wake up to refreshed, dewy skin. This would be perfect for anyone's winter skincare routine, especially if you love doing masks, which I do. I will definitely be trying this out. Bliss also has really cute packaging. I love this. This is $15, and when it is on sale during Black Friday, it will be $10.50. I can't wait to try all this skincare. There's one last skincare thing. This is the Cosmedica Rose Glow Kit. It has a micro needling derma roller and an illuminating rose gold serum. Whoa. I know that derma rollers are really supposed to help with like hyperpigmentation and also like wrinkles and especially acne scarring. Ooh, this is so cool. The serum also has hyaluronic acid, which you guys know is a staple in skincare because it is super hydrating and it holds up to 1,000 times its weight in water. It is super hydrating. I always recommend anyone hyaluronic acid and a really good moisturizer. I can't wait to try this because actually I do still have just a tiny bit of acne scarring on my upper cheeks from my high school days. So this kit is $25 right now, but during the Black Friday sale it's going to be $15. I think this would be great for anyone, especially if you have acne scarring and you've never tried anything with hyaluronic acid. Super hydrating and also getting rid of those acne scarrings. You're getting two things done to help your skin in one package. That's awesome. I like this a lot. On to my last two things. I'm gonna leave the biggest thing I see in the package for last. So this next product is actually super cool. This is the Lime Crime Unicorn Hair Dye in the color Chocolate Cherry. Whoa, this is so cool. As you guys know, I used to have really pink hair. Like my whole head was pink. Not so much anymore, it's just the tips. But I'd be willing to try out this color. Let me open it. Ooh, it's so cool. Look at that. It's also a semi-permanent hair dye. So you can leave it in your hair for as long as you want, and usually the color comes out more vibrant that way. It also shows on the back if you have platinum hair, if you have medium blonde hair, or light brown hair, what this will look like on your head. This is $16 at the moment, but on Black Friday with the discount it's going to be $11.20. There's one more thing in my box and it's all wrapped up and I can't even tell what it is. Ooh, hold on. No way! No way! This is... Oh my god. I can't even... You guys. This is the Lime Crime Venus XL palette. Oh my god. I don't know if most of you know, but I used to wear lots of berry eye looks, and I always loved my maroons, I loved my peaches, I loved my pinks, I loved my purples, and this palette was something I looked at from like over a year ago, and I was just like, I want this palette so bad, but I never got it, and now I have it. Let me open it up and show you guys what it looks like. Ooh, my god, it's so pretty. Ooh, look at all those colors. Oh, it's so beautiful. I'm really I'm digging this one, and also this one. And also this one. I'm digging all of them, but oh my god. And it has a really bomb mirror. Now you can see yourself. Say hello. Hi. And I'm gonna swatch one of these shades. Ooh, it's so pretty. I'm gonna swap the shade Fresca because it's glittery and I love glitter. And then I'm also gonna swatch Flora. And I'm also gonna swatch Goddess. I really want to swatch them all, but these colors stand out to me. They're so pretty. These colors are so pretty. I cannot deal. Ooh. Definitely, if you have any friends that are into makeup or are wanting to start makeup, I definitely think that this palette would be one of the palettes to get them, especially if they love berries and lots of fall colors. Oh, this is so pretty. I cannot stop staring at this. This palette right now is $58, but when it's on sale during Black Friday, it's going to be $45. I think that this is a reasonable price for a decent palette. For as many colors as you're getting and the quality that you're getting, I think that this is definitely worth it. And it comes with a really nice mirror. You could also do very much a day look with this and also switch it up to nighttime. This is so pretty. That is actually everything that Riley Rose gifted to me. Everything in here is so good. Everything in here I would use. Definitely this is my favorite product that I received, but I also really love this. I've been really wanting to try a microdermabraser, and also all of the cool Bliss stuff. Like, I can't wait to try out a ball cleanser. That's so cool. I think that's actually everything that's in my box. So thank you once again, Riley Rose, for partnering me with this video. I still cannot believe that they wanted to work with me, so I'm very thankful and I'm very happy, and I don't know, it's just been a really good day. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you guys are having a good morning, afternoon, evening, and night, and I will check back in with you guys next Monday for another video. Bye!